Hi everyone, I am Dr. Shehbaz S here. So in this video, I will show you how to conduct thematic analysis using ChatGPT or another AI language model. We will work with 5 interview transcripts and move step by step from raw responses to codes, categories, candidate themes, sub-theme, and a final written interpretation. So first of all, we need to learn what is thematic analysis. So thematic analysis identifies patterns of shared meaning. The researcher interprets the data, AI supports organization and comparison. Thematic analysis is a flexible qualitative method for examining how participants describe experiences, meanings, tensions, and context. A theme is not a repeated word, a topic label alone, and automatic AI output. Our analysis uses 5 student interviews. So, in our interviews, we are going to answer this research question. How do university students experience the use of generative AI tools for academic learning? So, this is our research question. So, these are 5 participants and their demographic background. Okay, so we are going to use 6 steps of Brown and Clark approach. So step 1 is anonymize, step 2 is familiarization, step 3 is coding, step 4 is building themes and sub-themes, step 5 is validation, and step 6 is write and interpret the findings. So step 1 is familiarization. In this step, read every transcript yourself, notice first impressions, contradictions, context, and unusual cases. Step 2, create initial codes that stay close to the dataset. I mean, there are participants and their exact quotations, initial coding, and rationale. Turn the first coding list into usable codebook, like code verifies information, definition, include, exclude, and example. Step 3, where we generate themes like efficiency and access, learning, sport, trust, and verification. A theme must have a central organizing idea, not just a list of codes. So, step 4 and 5 review the themes against excerpts and the complete dataset. So, there should be coherence, distinction, coverage, contradictions, and relevance. Step 6, where we write themes as interpretation supported by evidence, like claim students valued AI as immediate support that reduced time pressure and helped them begin difficult tasks. Evidence, so like one student, participant 1, when I face a blank page, it gives me something to react to. So here is their interpretation. So these are spotted references as Brown and Clark approach 2006 and 2021. So now we move to ChatGPT where we perform the thematic analysis of interviews. As you can see, I have given 5 interviews to ChatGPT and wrote this prompt. I have given you 5 interview transcripts. So do a thematic analysis of 5 interviews, including themes, sub-themes, description, and I also suggested that please make one short line for each as description, not too long. Frequency, it means how many times each sub-theme occurs in the interviews. And quotations, direct quotations, what the students make long or short statements in their interviews. And as well, I suggest ChatGPT that make one table with the above 5 headings. I want to answer this question, so the theme and sub-theme should be according to answer. So this is our research question as we have learned from presentation. So after giving the prompt to ChatGPT with 5 interviews, ChatGPT give us the table where we can see themes, subtheme, description, frequency, and quotations. You can see this theme, purposes and patterns of generative AI use. This theme happens 5 times from all 5 interviews. It means this theme happens all from all interviews. However, this sub-theme occurs 4 times from 5 interviews. As you can see, direct quotations from participant 1, participant 2. And same as you can see for theme 2, purposes and patterns of generative AI use, and its sub-theme, preparation and organization. So basically this is a main theme, this one is main theme, and its related sub-themes. 3 sub-themes are related to main theme, purposes and patterns of generative AI use. So also you can see description, frequency and direct quotations. So what is our second main theme? This is our second main theme, perceived learning benefits. So this main theme has also 3 sub-themes. Okay, so we will move to main theme third, risk and tensions in learning. So this main theme has 4 sub-themes and description, frequency and their related quotations. So this is fourth main theme, critical and self-regulated use, and its related 2 sub-themes, description, frequency and quotations. This is our last fifth main theme and its related 3 sub-themes, description, frequency and quotations. So after finding the themes, sub-themes, quotations, frequency and description, we are going to move to generate the word cloud for our analysis. So I just told ChatGPT to make word cloud for this analysis. So ChatGPT successfully generate the word cloud for our analysis. Again, I suggested ChatGPT to make tree map. So ChatGPT successfully generated tree map. You can see here. This is tree map according to our frequency, themes and sub-themes. Again, after the tree map, I suggested ChatGPT to make cluster diagrams. So ChatGPT successfully made this cluster diagram as per main themes, and under main theme there are sub-themes. So this is the central question. University students' experiences of generative AI for academic learning. So these are 5 main themes, and under each main theme you can see sub-themes. So this is a cluster diagram. So you can copy all images from here to document where you can write, interpret the findings. So now I again give the prompt to ChatGPT to make the bar charts for each theme, sub-themes based on frequencies. So ChatGPT successfully made the bar charts as per this first main theme and their its related sub-themes and its bar chart. So you can see second main theme and related sub-themes with bar chart. So this is our thematic analysis in ChatGPT. So this was the easiest and safest way to do thematic analysis on ChatGPT as per academic conduct, as per academic integrity. So if you like this video, so you can wait for more videos in future about content analysis, semantic analysis, sentiment analysis on ChatGPT.